I think that one of the keys to success when using this glue tack is to use as little as possible. Otherwise, what's going to happen is it's going to end up wrapping itself around the part, and I'm not going to be able to paint the sides. Now, in this case, I didn't use too much, but almost. But in the future, I've got a lot of pieces that are way smaller than this that I'm planning to use this glue tack on. So I better make a note to myself here. Unless I miscounted, there's only 7 hatchways that I need. 7 little stairways going down through the deck. But the way the sprues are, there's 4 sprues and each one has 2, so I've got an extra one. I'm just doing the extra one anyway, just in case I kind of spoil one. Maybe I'll kind of scratch it putting it on or something. Or, this way I've got an extra. Makes sense to me. Okay, now my paintbrush is cleaned out and the paint is cured on these little pieces. Let's try one out. Now I was going to remove these pieces off of the end of the toothpick, and then I thought, no, leave them on. And maybe I can use the toothpick as sort of a, well, you see what I'm trying to do here. It holds it nice and steady at the right angle after I would get it positioned in place. Obviously I'm doing a dry run now. Yeah, and then when the glue dries, then I just pull the toothpick off. Okay, now it's time for us to all hold our breath again. Put a little glue here. Not very much. Oh yeah, I guess it is. And here we go. I don't want to be smearing this around. I think I got it pretty good on the first try. Now after I turned the camera off, I put a little bit more glue right in there, and you'll notice that I've actually washed the paint off of the top of the hatch. I'm wondering maybe next time I'm going to try CA medium. Just dip the bottom of the hatch into the glue and, well, you'll see what I'm going to do. Several minutes has passed now. I think if I take this off with just sort of a side-to-side motion here. Oh, there we go. Don't want to accidentally break it off. I can envision those very easily being broken off. Now you will notice here that the hatch itself is mounted on the hatch frame a little bit more to this end. So I want to be putting the glue on this end, because this end will be more down out of sight. I actually have way more than I need here. This is CA medium. Just a little bit here. Okay. Now, let that cure. And now the other side. Now the other 4 hatches, they go on the stern, but I'm going to wait till we get down to that end. Got a lot more stuff to put on here. There's probably 25 or more pieces that have to go on. There's a whole bunch of tiny little ones that got to go in here. Those little ones that look like wrenches. Yeah, and then there's some vent tubes. Enough talking. Let's get at it. Now let's do a dry run here. I want to make sure that these little pegs that are on the bottom are going to fit in those holes. Yeah, I think they will. I want to make sure that after I get the glue dropped down, that I don't do horsing around like I'm doing right now and get the deck all messed up. Okay, let's give that a whirl. There, I think we got it. Now, I'm sure everybody's aware of the fact that moisture helps to shorten the curing time on CA glue. I used to have a little flexible hose, and I can't find it. So I've taken and I've snipped the end off of a pipette here. I'm just going to blow down here where the CA glue job was done here. And if you might even notice that when I blow through here, that the moisture from my breath is going to condense on the tube. Well, it also affects the CA glue. Anyway, here we go. Now, am I going to be able to get that off of there? Maybe the tweezers now. Nope, still some on there. There. Now, from my perspective, I thought I got it all, but the macro lens sees better than I do. Anyway, even if I don't get the rest of it, no one's going to be able to see that. I'm sorry, but this episode is going to come to a rather abrupt and unusual end. I was outside trying to work on my neighbor's car a few minutes ago and I ran into a little bit of a problem. So, maybe you saw the episode called The Squirrel. Then you'll know. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.